Very good morning, Uday Kiran. So guys, again I am telling, so those who missed the previous classes, don't bother about that. In yesterday's class, you can get it in this channel. So I'm sending this channel address to everyone. So please. So this is the one, guys, so that you can use it out. Okay, then let's start the class. Yesterday we discussed about why TypeScript. Today I'm going to show you how to work with the TypeScript, how to work with the TypeScript related things. TypeScript basics. Tell me, sir, in any programming language, we have two things in common. What are they, sir? You already know, guys. In any programming language, we have two things in common. What are they? UI and backend. That is the application, Sridhar. That is about the application. In any application, we have the UI and backend. I agree with that. But every programming language deal with two things on very high level overview, guys. I'm asking. In any programming language, deal with two things. What are they? So let me tell this one. Every programming language deals with first one, data. Second one, logic. Do you agree with the things, sir? Every programming language, we have what's a data and how to work with the data. Means that is nothing but we are going to write the logic for the data. So now I am asking one simple question. In a program, where we store the data. In a program where we store the data. Think and tell me. I will give you 1 minute for this one, sir. I will give you the time. Think and tell me. In a program where we store the data. In any program, sir. Guys, think and tell me, guys. Just think once. In a program, I'm not asking about the final output, sir. I'm asking about the in a program where we store the data. Very good, Naga Kumar. Very good, Kumar. Very good, Uday Kiran. Very good. Awesome. In a program where we store the data. Guys, you know this. You know this. Variables. I will say variables. Do you agree, sir? Where we store the data. Very good, Sridhar. Variables. Now I am asking where we write the logic. You already know this one. You can tell easily. Where we write the logic, sir? In a program where we write the logic. Guys, where we write the logic? Functions. Where we write the logic? Functions. So every programming language deal with these two things, sir. Whether it is a Java, whether it is a .NET, whether it is a Python, whether it is a JavaScript, any programming language deals with what's it? These two things. So right now I am also starts with these ones in the TypeScript also. Sir, how to create a variable? Creating a variable. Creating a variable. We use var or let, sir. How to create a variable, sir, in a TypeScript programming language by using what is the keyword? Either we use var or we use the let. Either we use var or we use the let. So in the JavaScript also, we already know about what's a JavaScript. In the JavaScript, I will use what's a var. In the JavaScript, I will use var. What is the latest one? Let. Now I am asking one simple question. What is the difference? If anyone knows, please let me know. So I will tell you the important difference and a very important interview question. Sometimes you will get the interviews. So sometimes you will get in the interviews. So I'm going to show you this one. Just a minute. I'm using the Visual Studio Editor. I will tell you this one in the coming classes, not today. Example 6.js. The important difference between var and let, sir. So very simple. How to create a variable in the JavaScript? You already know. Var I equal to 200. Function m1 console.log I. Can I access I in here? Can I access I inside the function? Yes, of course, yes, sir, because it is a global variable. It can be accessed inside the function. It can be accessed inside the function. And in the same way, observe M2. Can I access inside another function? Of course, yes, sir, because it is a global variable. Because it is a global variable. So right now, what is a global variable, sir? It is available for all the functions inside the file as well as inside of your HTML. So now var j equal to 200 console.log j. Can I access it? Of course, yes. Now I'm asking one simple question. Can I access here? Say yes or no, sir. If you know, yes. If you know, if you don't know, just no. That's it. Excuse me. Can you access? No, we cannot access. That is the difference. Why? Because it is a local variable. A local variable can be accessed. A local variable can be accessed only inside the function. Now, if true, I'm not writing any fancy code here, very simple code, var k equal to 200, let us have 300, console.log k. It is declared inside the block. Now I am asking, can I access this one here? Yes, because it is declared inside the block and it can be accessed inside the block. Now, observe, think and tell me, console.log k. Can I access or cannot access? Yes or no? No. Very good. That's what, sir. Sridhar, I like your response. N. That's it, sir. S means Y. That's it. No need to type everything, sir. S means Y. No means N. Now I am asking. We cannot access. So let us test this one. Let us call the function so that it will execute. CMD. See, sir, this is a I variable data. This is a J variable data. This is the K variable data. But observe, this one is printed and this one is also printed or no? Now I am asking, is it good or it is bad? It is bad, sir. Out of the scope. So what is the problem with the var? By using the var, you cannot have a block level variable. Using var, we can create global and local variables only. What is the thing you need to remember? By using var, we can create global and local variable only. Using let, we can create global, comma, local and block variable also. So sometimes in the interviews they will ask you this question. At that time, just give me this answer. Which one is more advanced? Let. Which one is more advanced? Let. So refer example 6. So for your reference, you can use a 6 example. So right now, let me show you the one with the same let set. What exactly it will tell you. So see, this is what you expected or no? At what line? 11th line. In the 11th line, can you access the K variable? You should not, sir. That is what it is telling or not. Why it is telling right now? Because I defined the variable by using what is the keyword? Let. So by using the let, you can create. By using the let, you can create global variable, block level variable, and local variables also. That is the beauty of let. So that's why from now onwards, in any JavaScript program, what you need to use, sir? Var or let, sir. That is the latest advanced one. So that is why in the projects you are seeing the let more often than var in the latest projects. So this is what you need to tell in the interview. So this is what you are having. So next example. Sir, I have the constant variable. The variable data can be modified. Do you agree? Yes. The variable data can be modified. Now tell me, I don't want to modify the data. So creating a constants. Creating constants. Sir, how to create a constant? Very simple. We use const keyword. Constant keyword. So very simple. Let me do Control N, Control S, example 7.ts. It is also available in the JS also. It is available in the JS as well as in the TypeScript. So observe I equal to 500. See, sir, what exactly it is doing. So right now I declared the variable with what value, sir? I equal to 200. I equal to 200. Later on, I modified the value. I modified the value. I equal to 500. Now your application is allowed to modify, or your programming language is allowed to modify? No, sir. It is not allowing. Why? Because we declared what variable? Constant variable. Now I am asking the question, sir, this example is easy, right? I am asking one simple question, sir, what are the constant data in any application? Suppose if you have experience, I'm asking the question to you, what is the data we never change in the project? What is the data we never change in the project when it is executing? Guys, it is a straightforward question. What is the data we never change in the project? What is the data we never change in the project? Think and tell me, sir. Means you have some experience. In this experience, what you identify, what type of data never changes? Okay, I will give you the things. Sometimes in the interview, they will ask you this kind of questions. Refer example 7. Application version information or not. When you are executing, when you are executing your project, we never modify the application version. We never modify the application version like 1.0, 2.0, 3.0. This information is constant throughout the executing the application. Suppose if the newer version is deployed, the old version will be removed. That is nothing but application version information. In the same way, REST API URLs. So sometimes you are accessing the REST APIs, those URLs, REST API URLs. Usually we configure it as a constants in the project. So REST API is also should be, all these are abbreviations, application programming interface, API means. So all these are, we call it as what's a constants. Do you agree with this one? If you have the, so in the coming future, we can see this thing. So in TypeScript program, so how many ways we can work with the data? Sir, two ways. The first one is the data can be modified, can be stored in the variable. The data cannot be modified, we can store in the constants. In the variables, we have two sections. Where is it? Let is it. Which one is more flexible and more advantageous? Sir? Let, because it is the latest, not because of the latest, but it is providing more functionality. So this is about variable creation. So as we discussed earlier, in the TypeScript, variables are nothing but associated with the data types. Now I am asking, where variable name ID equal to data. So we need to provide the data type. In the TypeScript, the name itself is what's a TypeScript. TypeScript is nothing but data type should be there. So defining a variable. When we are defining a variable, we should provide data type. Otherwise, TypeScript calculate the data type internally. I'll explain this one, data type internally. So, sir, what exactly the syntax you are going to tell? Very simple. I'm going to use the let. Observe ID colon. This is what's a declaration number equal to 100. So this is the way we are going to define the data type. So in other programming languages, we are going to define the like this or not. It is just quite opposite, sir. So what is the variable name here? ID. What is the data type, sir? Int. Right? In the JavaScript or TypeScript, we have what is the data type, sir? Number. So we are going to discuss the data types in just a minute, sir. Right now, what is our? We need to provide the data type. Otherwise, TypeScript internally calculate this one. So from this one, what we are understanding, every variable should have a data type. If we don't provide, TypeScript calculate internal. That is what, as a programmer, we need to know. Sir, okay, I understand the point. What is the next step, sir? What are the data types are available in the TypeScript? So, as I told earlier, TypeScript is not a new language. It is a extension of what language, sir? JavaScript. So now I'm asking, all the JavaScript data types are still valid In what programming language? TypeScript. Now I am asking, what are the data types available in the JavaScript, sir? What are the basic data types available in the JavaScript? What are the basic data types available in the JavaScript? First one. You need to tell, I will write the things. What is the first one? Very good, Gopi. String. Very good, Sridhar. I will go in this direction. What is the first one? Number. Second one, string. Third one will be Boolean. Very good, guys. Very good. Sridhar, Uday, Rakesh, Gopi. Very good. So, what are the basic data types are available in the JavaScript? Number is there, string is there, Boolean is there. Sir, what number represents? It represents integer and float values. Both, sir. In other programming languages, we have other data types. Sir. Integer is there, long is there, short is there, float is there, double is there, big decimal is there. Likewise, there are so many data types are there. But JavaScript is very simple. So is TypeScript. So number, it represents what, sir? All the number values. Whether it is an integer, means whole numbers like 1, 2, 3, 4, or float values are 1.1, 1.2, likewise. So all the things are represented by single data type. It is nothing but we call it as what, sir? Number. Next one, string, sir. What about the string? It represents character and collection of characters. So remember, this point represents a single character. A single character is also called as a string in the JavaScript, and a collection of characters. Now observe this one. This one. Both are strings. Both are strings. Sir, how many ways I can create a string in the JavaScript? 3 ways, sir. Anyone knows about this one? How many ways we can create a string? How many ways we can represent a string value? Represent, 3 ways to represent string values. So guys, let me tell this. Single quotes. Or we can use a double quotes. Most of you know this one. Third point. Most of you don't know this one. Tell me, sir. Anyone know this one? How many ways we can represent the string value? The third way is nothing but what's a black, sorry, not the black backtick character. So these are the 3 ways, sir. This is the latest one. This is the latest one. So how many ways we can represent a string? 3 ways. So let me give you the example so that you can practice later. Example 8.js. So see, let message msg1 equal to hello. So let me create the order wise hello. This is first string, sir. Two, 3. We can create the same string in 3 ways. So sometimes in the interviews, this is the latest standards, guys. That is why I'm explaining this one. Most of you don't know. If you know already, think it like a revision session. So right now, observe here, sir. How many ways we can create a string in the JavaScript or TypeScript, sir? three ways. What is the first one? By using a single quote, or by using the double quote, or by using the backtick character. Sir, where I can find this character? I never seen this one anywhere. So let me show you. So guys, this is the one. Okay. So this is the character I'm talking about. Okay. This is the character which is used to represent what character, sir? Backtick character. So this is the way we are going to work it out. Sir, what is the advantage with this character? Can you explain? Very simple. Why this character is needed? So observe, let so this is what the string I am having. So observe here, value equal to. I want to combine all these strings, sir. What you are going to do? I want to combine all these strings, sir. What you are going to do? You are going to do the concatenation or not? MSG1 plus MSG2 plus MSG3. You are old school, sir. If you do like this, you are old school. In the IT world, if you are outdated, we are going to call them as old school guys. So this is what the old way, but what is the new way, sir? This is the way. Observe dollar. See, sir, I want to use what is our MSG1. Next one, MSG2, MSG3. String concatenations are made very easy, sir. String concatenations are made very easy. So right now, if you want to add some space here, what you are going to do, you are going to do like this. In the JavaScript or anywhere in the programming language, it looks very, very difficult for freshers. Why he is doing like this? So, but this one, it is very easy as you like it. So this is the way we are going to write the code. Let us see console.log value1. So these are the problems in the old concatenation. All these problems are rectified in the latest with the backtick character. So you can see more easiest way is what, sir? Which is the easiest way? This one? No, sir. This one. String substitution is possible by using what is a character? Backtick character. So most of you don't know this one. That is why I'm giving explanation for this one. String substitution is possible using the backtick character. Backtick characters. It is the latest way. So from now onwards, you need to use this one. So guys, this is also possible to write not only on the same line, you can write the same thing in the multiple lines also. So see here. These are all interview questions, guys. See, you are having without much work, you are able to do what's it? Multi-line string. The same thing, if you want to do in other programming language, you need to add the new line characters and all the unnecessary things. That is why JavaScript people nowadays they are using what is a character? Backtick character in most of the things. So see, I need to write some new line characters inside of this one. I guess it is in the HTML. I guess it should work it out. Let me see. Line break, such kind of characters I need to introduce. So this is the problem of what's a normal strings. That is why my suggestion is when you are working with the latest standards, you will get the all the latest things. So this is about the strings, the difference between JavaScript and the latest standards, and which is already available in the TypeScript, which is already available in the TypeScript. Guys, you are getting all the interview points, right? Able to understand the points one by one what I am making here? I want answer from everyone. Are able to understand the importance of the backtick character now? Yeah, thank you. Why? Because this is a common interview question, sir. If you go for any company with basic like 6 months experience also, they will ask you this question. What are the latest standards? What are the latest standards? You need to explain all these things. So this is about what is the one, sir? String. So what about the Boolean, sir? Boolean about nothing. It represents what data, sir? True and false values. There is nothing, there is no rocket science in this one. It represents what values? True and false values. The fourth one, null and undefined. These are the special data types, sir. These are the special values or data types we have in the JavaScript. So what is null, sir? Null represents the absence of value. Absence of value. Absence of the value. Undefined represents absence of data type. Absence of data. So this is the one. So right now, if the value is not present, the variable is created, but the value is not present, means there is no memory allocated also. At the time, we call them as a what's a null, means the value is not there. Memory is allocated, but the value is not there. But I don't know what is the data type of this one. At the time, we call it as what's a undefined. So let me tell you with the simple example. Control N, let me create a new example. Example 9.js. Observe, let I. Tell me what is the data type, sir? Undefined. What is the data type, sir? Undefined. Means why? Because there is no value for the same. There is no data type for this one. We don't know. But I'm asking this one. See, tell me what is the data type, sir? Number. What is the data type, sir? Number. So this is nothing but absence of data type is called as a what, sir? Undefined. Absence of value is called as a what, sir? Null. Absence of value is called as null. So this is what as a programmer we need to know. So guys, so this is what we are going to discuss, and tomorrow, very important topic, fifth one, we are going to discuss about what? Array and object. I'm very sorry, I need to go outside. Sorry guys, it is emergency. Not that much emergency, but I need to go. I'm very sorry, but tomorrow the class will start by 8:10 itself. So guys, again I'm telling, class timings are modified to what's at 8:10. So please be in the class by 8:10. I am very sorry for today, but I'm going to take the class tomorrow onwards, 8:10 only.